Do you organize conferences, courses, or company events and struggle to manage attendance and details? With the Odoo Events app, you can manage the entire event process from one place, easily and efficiently. From the main dashboard, you can see all your events organized across clear stages, from new and booked events to announced or completed ones. This gives you a clear overview of every event's status and helps you follow progress in real time. When creating a new event, Odoo allows you to add all important details, including the event name, start and end dates, time zone, organizer, responsible person, and location, whether it is a meeting room, a conference hall, or even an international venue. Odoo also helps you automate communication with attendees. You can send confirmation emails after registration and schedule reminder messages before the event, such as 3 days before or 1 hour before it starts. This increases attendance and reduces missed appointments. You can also customize registration forms and collect key information like name, email, and phone number, helping you build an organized attendee database. With Odoo Events, event management becomes smoother, smarter, and fully organized, so you can focus on creating successful events and growing your business.